Hey team, so let's take some time to understand how we can capture a list of all the abandoned life boards and answer cards within the system, which is one of the most common asks by the admins who wants to perform a cluster cleanup. Uh, and improve the cluster performance. So when we go to the cluster under the profile, under the admin settings, we'll see a list of live boards, that is the user adoption, object usage, performance tracking, and AIBA stats. So for this use case, we will use user adoption live board over here. And in this live board, we see a couple of answer cards that's created, which speaks about the abandoned life boards and abandoned answers. Now, this includes all the answers or life boards which have not been used even more than one day, or even like for a day. So, in case if you logged into a live board or an answer card today, but you didn't log in or log in tomorrow, it would tag them as abandoned. But there are various organizations with different business rules. Like some of them would want to tag live boards which are not used in like 90 days, or answer cards which are not used in 90 days, as abundant. So keeping that in mind, we can kind of recalibrate this particular answer card. But none of the answer cards over here are editable out of it from here. So for this purpose, I already have a copy over here. So let's go to the abandoned lifeboats and let's edit this out. And over here we can set up a filter which is greater than or equal to 90 days. So over here we'll see plethora of lifeboats which have not been used in the past 90 days. See, it's a long list, which is not used in past 90 days. Same way, we'll do the same for answer cards. Over here, we will set up a filter over here for greater than or equal to 90. Apply. So with this, we'll get the list of all the answer cards which have not been used in the past 90 days. Um, so this is one better way of capturing the list of all the answer cards and live boards which remain unused or uninteracted with in the past 90 days, or whatever business rule you want to set up on an organizational level. Thank you.